Well, Nerak are here as well, and to tell us all about Nerak is Simon. Lots going on behind you.
Indeed, indeed. Nerak, we are the leaders in vertical elevation solutions. There's two sides of our business. One we call bulk material handling, which is ingredients, aggregates, things like that on production lines. And the other side of the business is unit load, which is totes, cartons, boxes, pallets, that sort of thing.
So looking behind, we've got this spiral, I'd say spiral staircase, but a spiral conveyor belt going on here.
Indeed, indeed. Spiral elevator, good for moving boxes, totes, cartons, either on an upward motion or downward motion. Very good for high throughput applications. We've also got box lifters over here, which are a similar scenario, but they're much better if space seems to become an issue.
I was going to say, looking at the floor plan needed for the spiral, it's taking up more space, isn't it?
Yeah, the footprint's a lot smaller on this. These tend to be better for lower lifting heights, whereas box lifters are better for higher lifts.
Right, fair enough. Now over here as well, got something that looks like something from a fairground. You'd expect to put some money in somewhere and have a claw come out, but what is this?
Going round.
That's true.
This is a pendulum bucket elevator. This is a full food grade one. You'd find this on production lines for companies like food manufacturers, sweet confectionery manufacturers, chocolate manufacturers, moving their ingredients around to different parts of the process, but also moving finished product where the product needs to be handled very gently.
Oh, I see. Hence the fact it's just not dropped straight away down there. It's got his lips on there.
Yeah, but look how gentle it is when it's actually in there. It's not being shaken, it's not being crushed, it's not being disturbed.
I see. And so this is mainly food manufacturers or food companies that are selling products?
Yeah, for this particular one, though equally we do much larger machines of a similar nature for things like quarries and stuff like that.
I see, I see. So let's head round this side. We'll meet Rob at the other side if you want as well. So if we go round here, because I know you've got this contraption. There's something that you really want to be showing off here at PPMA.
Is the latest version of our reciprocating hoist lift. It's one platform that goes up and down. It's very high speed. It's running here at about 2 meters a second, but we can get them well over 3 meters a second. And these are designed for servicing mezzanine pick floors. As you know, internet fulfillment houses and central distribution centres are becoming larger and larger and more proliferant. The cost of land is very much at a premium, so people tend to be building up with these multi-mezzanine pick floors. These sort of lifts are ideal for servicing them to get the boxes or totes off the pick floors once they've been picked with the goods, but also to replenish the pick floors with the empty totes going back up.
So not only is this saving space on the floor, but it's also saving space for the companies because they can have lesser floor space required. They can start using the sides of their building. Yeah.
And you can double the carriages up, so you can be a lot more efficient in terms of power consumption as well, because you can replenish your totes on the same cycle as bringing the full ones down. So it's very energy efficient.
Yeah, absolutely. Which sort of customers are going for this? You mentioned energy efficiency. That's something that everyone's very keen on at the moment.
Well, you know, you've got a lot of the household names, people like Amazon, Littlewoods, you've got the 3PLs, DHL, XPO, that sort of thing. You know, a lot of the major names that everyone will be familiar with.
Absolutely. Now, for Nerak coming to the PPMA show, how important is it for you to be able to show off these sorts of products to customers that may have never seen them or didn't know what their options were?
Very important. You know, we've tried to support PPMA over many years, and we've always done very well here. So, yeah, this is something that's key to us going forward.
Great stuff. Thank you very much, Simon. And I think we found out all we need to know about Nerak for now, but do check it out.